What's so cool about my time at Unchained and just working in the industry and being in Bitcoin for so long is I know a bunch of businesses that front ran Michael Saylor and
Yeah.
MicroStrategy by years, right?
Yeah.
I helped them establish their Bitcoin treasuries before the mega whales of
Yeah.
today were even thinking about Bitcoin. Yeah, their businesses are doing great now.
Yeah.
But the other thing to think about is if they're not, if you're working with somebody or a business on getting them to start considering Bitcoin, if they're not ready
Mm.
and they get Bitcoin and the price tanks, maybe
Yeah.
they don't understand the fundamentals, or they this perception of Bitcoin as like this super risky asset still really lingers. I think it's been pushed via most of the
Yeah.
traditional economists and big banks and governments and so on, and that idea still persists really heavily for, I think, a lot of the general population. Like, this is an extremely risky vehicle, and it's my
Yeah.
view that it's not risky even slightly. It's volatile. Volatility, I think, traditionally is viewed as risk, but
Yeah.
if you understand why it's volatile and how it works, I don't view Bitcoin as risky at all. I view, in a lot of ways, like index funds and stock market and so on, to be significantly riskier because
Yeah.
a lot of these companies could at any minute go out of business. The exposure to the dollar is extremely risky because it's guaranteed to decrease in value. Like,
Yeah.
the dollar is going to continue to decrease in value. That is a known. Whereas Bitcoin, there's no guarantee it'll increase in value, but as long as it holds its fixed supply of 21 million and more people adopt it,
Yeah.
it will continue to go up in value.